And now the top stories. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand has issued a 15-day ultimatum for the surrender of all illegal weapons and ammunition hidden across the state. He warned that individuals failing to comply will face stringent legal punishment. He was speaking as a chief guest at arms display ceremony held today at 1st MR Battalion ground. The event, organized by the State Home Department, was also attended by Deputy Chief Minister Low Sidiko, Home Minister Govt, Arts and Culture Minister Kurajum Lokan, several MLAs and top security officials from the State Police, CRPF and BSF. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister directed anyone holding illegal arms to hand them over to their local MLAs or district SP within the 15-day window. He added that the government had previously exercised maximum restraint out of sensitivity towards the state's volatile unrest. While observing that violence has remarkably subsided, Khemchand stated that retaining illegal weapons is no longer justifiable and the administration will now enforce the law without leniency. The Chief Minister announced that security forces have already recovered a massive catch of 1,422 guns, 7,100 rounds of ammunition and 1,137 explosives since the installation of the current government following a period of President's rule.
Muslim Islam punna kami narakanda santi porpanadana iku ilewasi development dayroi. Then at the same time we should think for our young generation. I go to mimiol ki damuka kalaganda eko santi porasena punna community kudima koi jiriwamda koi chali nabasang narakanda pumine madana ahanba community singsi pullaga unabaya stage amaka block yayudai matang koi college sinasu tongan na jaga satna tongan ba koi community leader singdo wari sanarkanda koi santi lambi amada lakpari hawe haibasi matamjali si marasida hokiba koi sarkar se siyamaga February tang manga dagina ngasi pawada security forces na Manipur police na strong rifle na BSF na Canadian army na pagalakba amadi pithorokba adumba khulaisi.
Meanwhile, Home Minister Govt asserted that the state government will aggressively prosecute anyone engaging in highway extortion under the National Security Act and the Control of National Highways, Land and Traffic Act 2002. He warned that any individual or organization caught threatening drivers or collecting illegal taxes along the national highways will face severe legal action. Pointing to the massive cache of weapons displayed today, he claimed it as a clear evidence of the government's commitment to restoring normalcy. The Home Minister also appealed to the public for their full cooperation to the government's effort towards restoring normalcy.
Normally, Berilla, a quite Santi Poloki Baleva, Matalete, Sound, Lantomo, Pampawada, a quite table, a quite sort of so even after over dialogue, a quite Santi Poloki Banatani, Maramadana, Aina, appeal of the every community, a quite Manipur, even tribe forward, more than 35 tribes we have in the state. One of us say, a quite dialogue, a quite differences say. Result of whatever I call honesty, amaga cooperation, labor, as a young Henamatai, Luna, I call rumored, I call Chapasin Maramoga, I call Marata, Tenson, Hingale, Masi, I call Yarimaka, Karimba, Pauma Pibata, not a Pauma Ibi Mamadabda, Maduhana, authenticate Torga, Sumabra, Masumla Labra, Hibasi, Kamaga, I call Makwesing Adu. Prasaki public domain that Hamagadi, a quite misunderstanding, Adu Equity, Adumba, rumor to not equate attention, Lehandanava, a quite